Nicole as Mrs. Claus. Welcome to my Advents Calendar series. Today is December 14th. Hello. Today we're using some iridescent refillable Christmas tree balls, and I have some snow with a little bit of confetti in it that says Merry Christmas. We're trying to get those into those little openings, so this might be a messy craft, but hey, crafting can be messy. I think I'm going to actually take those balls out of here. Well, let's take them one at a time while we're refilling them. Let's do it like this. Okay. Let's open our bag. So, let's see what we can do here. First of all, let's see how big the Merry Christmas stuff is. Okay, I can get it in there. But you know what? I may just have to put it in like this because I am not sure how I'm supposed to pour that because it barely fits. This may be all we're doing here. We may be just pouring the Merry Christmas sayings in here. Not as exciting as I was hoping this would be, but you know what? It's going to be pretty because people will be like, what's in this? What does it say? And then they have to look at your Christmas tree balls. There we go. You know what? Actually, I'm fine with this. I'm very fine with this. I may not get all these snowflakes in, but I'm getting the red and green writings, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I think I want a little bit more, just a little bit more. If snow falls in it with it, that's good. If not, then that's fine too. Okay, these letters are completely intertwined here. Well, we'll just stick them in like that then. There we go, they fit. These will fit too, because we'll make them fit. There we go. A little bit more. I want a little bit more. Okay, and here's a little bit of snow. What do you think? I actually like it. I'm fine with it like this. Let me see. Let's put the ornament top back on. Oops. There we go. There we go. I think that's good. I like it. Let's make the other ones. We'll stick it all in. Maybe I'll get a little bit more snow in this one because now that we work our way down, there is more snow in the back that I have access to. Hee. I wish those little balls had bigger openings, but it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. There's a little bit more snow. I'll grab some of that, stick it in here. More letters. I could have also made a ball with just red or just green writing, but you know what? I don't really want that. I want it colorful, because I like it colorful. A little bit more than I'm done with this one, and we'll go to the last one. Oops. I meant to grab all the snow and then the letters just came with it. That'll work too. Oh look, this one has way more snow now than the other one. It's messy, but it's fun. Okay. I think we're done with this one. Let's take the top on. Oops, that one got bent out of shape, literally. Here we go. Nice. One more, then we're done with today's project. They're all starting to be pretty connected right now. But that's okay, that makes them a little bit more bulky inside the Christmas ball. I like that better than them just laying flat on the bottom anyways. Look at that. We're almost done. Oh, that was a lot that was connected and it's just all flew in here. Okay, I'll just bend them all together like that and shove them in. Okay, that is actually working much easier than I thought it would. I was really worried about the letters and that I might not get them in properly. But turns out they are very bendable, very flexible, and the size is just the right size. Did the makers actually think that we might want to put them into balls and they made them the right size? Maybe. Okay, just a little bit more than I am happy with this one. Now you could fill it all the way up to the brim if you wanted to. Maybe, you know what, maybe I should fill one up to the brim just to see what it looks like. If you don't want to watch it all the way, you can fast forward through this. But I'll just continue stuffing stuff in right now. And I should probably tell you some nice stories so you have something to listen to while you're looking at this. So, some of my Christmas memories are definitely crafting for Christmas, especially with my kids. When I had my children, when they were very young, we had not a lot of money and we homemade a lot of things. Now, of course, all these things are bought at Hobby Lobby and it's not really cheaper than just buying ornaments. But I had to get really creative with my children. We used paper and fabric I already had at home. I traced cookie cutters on them, and then I cut those out and I glued it on a little bit of construction paper so it was a little thicker. And I basically made cookie cutter shaped ornaments out of fabric and paper. And then I also painted with a marker stitching on it, so it looks like I stitched that fabric onto the paper. Oh, this is actually pretty. I like it like that. And those were our first Christmas tree ornaments that we had as a family together, because we didn't have money, but I had paper and I had some fabric. Oh, I like this. This one I like a whole lot. Look at how full it is. This one is definitely better than that one. Either way, I'm not going to make you sit through refilling the other one. I think this is good. I think we did well. And I think we're done. So, tell me what kind of Christmas ornaments you have made with your kids. I've done all kinds of things. I've made snowmen out of facial pads to take off makeup. I made snowmen out of bottle caps. All kinds of things. But hey, I'm sure nobody's listening anymore because they don't see anything else on the screen. So, let's cut it short here. Bye-bye. Thank you.